Hello, good evening. I'm Geeta from Coir Board. We are from the Ministry of MSME, and our work is to popularize the coir in the country. And actually, coir is the husk of the coconut, which you feel like it's a waste, but it's not a waste. We are doing best out of it. Some machineries to show you. This is a fiber extraction machine. This waste is put into this, and then we get coir from here. This is the coir which is coming out of this waste. So next machine, we have so many others machine also. This is called Anugruha loom. This is mainly operated by the ladies, and from this we are making the geotextile, which is used for civil applications, for soil control and erosion control. Like this is the main utilization of this geotextile, which covers the earth. So this is coir geotextile. Another mat I am going to show you. This is called corridor mat. So this is used in front of main door, and mainly the women are doing this work. And this is again pressing device. This mat is woven over here, and then next step to press the mat over here. Now this is next machine. This is called traditional rat. I have shown you the coir earlier. The fiber extracted from the first machine is put over here, and it is traditionally woven into the rope. So after this, we have lots of mats over here, which I am going to explain you. So the mat one which is there in the loom is finished like this. And this is the finished mat called corridor mat. Then we have some tufted mat. And this tufted mat is having PVC backing. PVC back is used for non-skid the mat, which will keep holding on the floor. same PVC tufted mat what we have shown you earlier. We have some more designs over here and various sizes we have over here. This mat is for the main door and it is very thick. You can see the reverse side of this mat, which is oven, hand oven, and lot of pain is taken by the person who has made this mat. So it's a really great work done by this our handicraft weaver. This is Koya matting. This is we are having in handloom and as well as in power loom. So this is the one which is power loom matting. This is used in industry, hotels, shops to escape from the water and have great utilization. Again, we have some kind of a mat. This is another mat. This is again called as RBTM mats. It's you can see this is like a brush having. So whenever you are entering into the house, your shoes is getting rubbed out of it and all soil dust get out of the house and your house is clean again. This is called Koya matting mat. What matting we have seen here, it is compressed with the rubber, latex, and it is called matting mat. It's again keep your house clean. The mat, one we have seen earlier, was in a rectangular shape and this is one in the semicircle type. So we have different patterns. This is called lover's knot. This is 100% natural product and our Koya fiber, it's called as a golden fiber. So you can see this doormat as a golden one. So our golden fiber and not the West. Hollander mat, lover's knot, matting mat, and very interesting I would like to show you here. The plant which is put in the Koya pith and wrapped in the thread, and it is a very nice unique thing for your house to keep in the corner. You will love it. I think you should come and visit our expo at Kala Academy. We are here for 2 more days. And those who are the garden lovers, we have lots of things for them. So this is a climber, creepers to grow. And these are the Koya hanging pots. It's 100% natural. It's made with Koya with rubber latex. Yeah, this is garden hanging articles. So this is a Koya basket which is kept in a metal holder and your plants are planted in this along with this cocoa pit. So I would like to show you here the cocoa pit we are having, and you can pour this cocoa pit in this basket and you can plant the tree here. And we have this cocoa plants pots in different shapes. We have the smaller glasses also to put the small plants in this, and when it grows you can directly put these plants in the soil and your plants roots are not getting disturbed and your plants get good life. After the garden articles, we have handicraft items, such as we have so many handicrafts animals over here. You can see the horse over here, very nice horse. You can see it's made out of Koya. Again, we have elephant here. The children will really like it, and it's 100% natural, so no harm for the children. Again, camel here. So lovely. So nicely made by our handicraft workers who are ladies from the tribal areas. We are giving jobs to the women by they are giving this craft to us, and they are getting money out of it, and they are become self-reliable. Here some Ganeshas is there. We have Ganesha here. Some Ganesha is also sitting in the Julas. You can like it. Some more also with Mata Riddhi Siddhi. This Ganesha is very beautiful. Another pattern of Ganesha is there. So you can even place this Ganesha in your car, and this is very lovely Ganesha. Now Ganesha festival is coming, so say Ganpati Bappa Moria. This is one of the new things come up for even gardening the plants, and if you want you can use another uses anything you like, keeping the pen, making it pen stand, whatsoever. Again the tortoise come here, come go slow and achieve the things. Here some lovebirds. Wow, it's very nice. You can keep it hanging in your car, in your balcony, wherever you feel. This is, this is hanging Ganesha. This can be put on the wall. We have displayed some here.
Before weaving the corridor mat, we have arrangement the rods, which rods minimum 10 mm. After that, we have selected the score of yarn. After that, we will weaving. So before weaving, we have decided which type of a design we will implement in the corridor mat. Then after weaving, within 40 minutes, a common man can weave a design. After completion of this weaving of the mat will be transferred to the pressing device. So after pressing, we will remove the rods and inserting the coir ropes. Then after we will finishing, and it will be eligible for marketing. So one person minimum according to the size, number one size, one skilled worker can make the corridor mat minimum 12 to 15. After completion of the weaving of the mat will be transferred to the pressing device. After pressing, we have a measurement the required size. Then instead of the corridor rods, we have putting the coir ropes. So after that, we have removed the mat and finishing it and sell to in the local market.
I would like to tell you here, we are not only here to showcasing our products, but I would like you to come up because Goa is having ample of coconut tree and the coir is getting west. So you have a good opportunity to become a manufacturer of coir and be a part and parcel of the coir, having the units, different units like fiber extraction, having a geotextile loom, making the corridor mats and garden articles, lots and lots of various industry is here. We have different schemes, just like Pradhan Mantri Employment Generation Program. So from that also, then we have CVY scheme, then MCY scheme, that is for Mahila. So Mahila Sablikaran is one of the most important criteria over here, and I would like to tell Goan's lady to come up with this Koya industry. And see you soon. And for contacting for industry, you can visit our Kankavli office at Sindhudur, and for products you can very well contact me at Mumbai Coir Board office. Yeah, I have shown the variety of products over here, which is really very lovely, and it is brought for you alone to Goan's people who should get aware about the Koya board and the products what is coming out of Koya, which is known as a West, but it is not a West, it is a best. We are waiting to see you and visit at our stall in Kala Academy. Do visit. We are here for next 2 days. See you. Thank you so much. Thank you.